The internet is a powerful tool for businesses, but employees' internet habits can create vulnerabilities that expose companies to cyber attacks. These habits, often innocent on the surface, can open doors for hackers to infiltrate systems and compromise sensitive data. In this video, we'll explore how employee behavior online poses cybersecurity risks and, more importantly, how companies can protect themselves. Why employee internet habits are a threat. Every time an employee browses the internet, downloads files, or clicks on links, they expose their organization to potential threats. Hackers are constantly exploiting human behavior, knowing that people are often the weakest link in cybersecurity. For example, employees may visit unsecured websites that host malware, unknowingly infecting their company's network. Or they may reuse weak passwords across multiple accounts, giving cybercriminals easy access to sensitive systems. Phishing attacks are another common vulnerability. Sophisticated emails trick employees into clicking malicious links or providing confidential information, compromising company data. Ignoring cybersecurity protocols, like bypassing firewalls or neglecting software updates, can also leave critical gaps for attackers to exploit. Real-world consequences of poor internet habits. The consequences of risky internet behavior can be catastrophic for businesses. Data breaches often result in stolen customer information, financial losses, and irreversible reputational damage. For instance, a single employee clicking on a malicious link can introduce ransomware into a network, locking files and demanding payment to restore access. The cost of such an attack can reach millions, not to mention the downtime and disruption it causes. In some cases, sensitive intellectual property can be stolen, giving competitors an unfair advantage or jeopardizing a company's future. Common risky internet behaviors. Here are some of the most frequent internet habits that create vulnerabilities. Visiting unsecured websites. Employees browsing unsafe or non-encrypted websites can unknowingly download malware. Using weak or reused passwords. Weak passwords are easy to crack, and reusing them across accounts allows hackers to compromise multiple systems. Falling for phishing scams. Sophisticated phishing emails mimic legitimate communications, tricking employees into sharing sensitive information. Bypassing security measures. Disabling antivirus software, ignoring firewalls, or failing to report suspicious activity create significant risks. Neglecting software updates. Outdated systems are vulnerable to known exploits, giving hackers an easy entry point into the network. How companies can mitigate these risks. While these risks are concerning, companies can take actionable steps to protect themselves. Employee training and awareness. Regular cybersecurity training is essential to educate employees about potential risks and safe internet practices. Teach staff to identify phishing emails, avoid suspicious links, and report any unusual activity immediately. Strong password policies. Implement company-wide policies requiring strong, unique passwords for all accounts. Encourage the use of password managers to reduce the risk of weak or reused credentials. Multi-factor authentication, NMFA. MFA adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to a mobile device. Restrict access to unsafe websites. Use web filtering tools to block access to malicious or inappropriate websites that could introduce risks. Enforce regular software updates. Ensure all devices and software are updated regularly to patch vulnerabilities and stay protected against the latest threats. Monitor internet usage. Employ tools to monitor employee internet activity for signs of risky behavior without compromising privacy. This allows companies to detect and address potential issues before they escalate. Data encryption. Encrypt sensitive data to ensure that even if it's intercepted, it remains unreadable to unauthorized users. Backup critical data. Regularly back up essential files to secure locations, ensuring data can be recovered in the event of a ransomware attack or other incidents. Fostering a security-first culture. Protecting your company from cyber attacks isn't just about technology, it's about culture. Encourage employees to adopt a security-first mindset, where every click and action is considered carefully. Management should lead by example, demonstrating adherence to cybersecurity policies and showing the importance of following best practices. Regularly communicate the impact of cyber attacks, sharing real-world examples to reinforce the need for vigilance. The role of professional cybersecurity services. While employee education and internal protocols are crucial, Professional cybersecurity services can provide additional protection. Cyber A.I. Pros offers solutions designed to safeguard businesses from modern cyber threats. Advanced threat detection and protection. Our CyberZone solution provides enterprise-grade protection against malware, ransomware, and phishing attacks. Secure cloud storage. With Cyber A.I Vault, your data is backed up daily to ensure quick recovery in case of an attack. 24/7. Monitoring and remote support. Our cyber remote service keeps your systems secure around the clock, detecting and neutralizing threats in real time. HIPAA-compliant solutions. For healthcare providers, we ensure full compliance with regulations, protecting patient data and maintaining trust. By partnering with Cyber A.I pros, you can create a robust defense against cyber threats, empowering your employees to work safely online. Looking ahead. Employee internet habits will always be a part of the cybersecurity equation, but with the right strategies, companies can significantly reduce their exposure to risk. Combining employee training, strong policies, and professional cybersecurity services creates a powerful defense against even the most sophisticated attacks. If you're ready to take your company's cybersecurity to the next level, visit cyberaipros.com today to learn how we can help. Hit like and subscribe for more insights into cybersecurity and AI, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What steps is your company taking to address risky internet habits?